the intro. What is really good, fam? Welcome back to Familia Kicks HQ, where we go ahead and discuss all types of sneaker stuff. We do sneaker reviews and we just talk about life and things about stuff on your feet, and you know those things called sneakers, boots, shoes, whatever it is, whatever's on your feet, we want to talk about them. So let's go ahead and discuss today's video. But before we do, I do want to let you know to please become a part of the family if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for taking time out of your busy lives to tune into this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I do upload new videos. And also leave me a comment down below letting me know that you are here rocking with your boy. Thank you so much. And today's video, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I actually purchased a few sneakers over the week and I received them, and I have not looked at them as of yet. And I kind of just wanted to unbox these sneakers on camera. And so I figured let's go ahead and do it. I got three pairs of sneakers to go ahead and unbox. And the first one, I actually cut the tape, but I haven't seen it yet. This is, let's see what we got here. Hold on. Alrighty. So, if you guys know anything about the Comfort Retro 1's, you would know that this actual box is from the Comfort Retro 1's, the Zooms. So the Zoom Comfort. So let's go ahead and, okay, I know what these are. These are the Zoom Comfort 1's, the chili colorway. Foot Locker dropped them the other day, and I've been seeing them drop here and there. They sell out pretty quick when they do drop. And there's been so much buzz going on about these Comfort Retro 1's, and I think these are going to be kind of a big deal in the next year or two. I'm thinking that they're really going to go ahead and get really hyped, and they're coming out with some really creative colorways. And the boxing experience on this, like, look at this. Look at that. So I'm surprised a lot of people are not mentioning these Comfort Retro 1's. I mean, even the boxing experience. Look at that. Yo, that's clean. That is super clean. You got your Jordan wings, and if you pull this out in the back, you have AJ1 Zoom Air Comfort, a design in Beaverton, Oregon, re-engineered for ultimate comfort. And they sort of give you like this detailed pictures, the materials used, and dope. I'm digging it. So they individually wrap the sneaker itself. That's fire. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. I've never seen these in person. So for all y'all ASMR freaks, here you go. I got the microphone here. Okay, ready? Ooh, like that. Ooh, the paper's nice. Woo! What? Yo. These are nice. So off rip, I don't know like all the materials in hand. I'm looking at these for the first time. These are chill. That smells amazing. Yo, these are nice. Oh, guys, this is fire. Alrighty, so let's just talk about the design offhand. The outsole, you got like a two-tone outsole here. You see you got your red, like the inner part of the outsole, and it's definitely like a rubbery material. And then you still keep that ordeal with the starred retro, like the rim of the outsole here. See all those stars? So it still is a retro one. Just, I think, an excuse for them to sort of stretch the creativity for them. But guys, the materials in this is nice. Like, these are nice materials. Okay, so we're greeted with this chili red. That's the highlight, that chili red running around the brim of the toe box. And you're greeted with that same material. This material almost feels like a suede. It's definitely leather. It's definitely leather. But it's like a soft, really soft, matted, textured leather. You also are greeted here in the mid upper This is a pebbled soft leather. So this is a pebbled leather, the black part all around. And then you have this, the actual swoosh is the nylon fabric behind all the leather. So the swoosh is actually like behind it. Like if you pull down this lip here, you see what I'm saying? Like that's the nylon fabric. So this is the base fabric under. The toe box itself is also like it's like a leather. I'm trying to figure out what type of leather. Almost like a suede as well. Here in the toe box. Super soft. Like the materials are not stiff at all. Super soft material. You're greeted with black laces. So yeah, you have the yellow swoosh all around. Now the ankle area, things get a little bit different here. So we have this like this triple tone. You have the actual black ankle fabric, which in the inside is padded. I don't know if you guys see this, which shows all this exposed line, almost like the off-whites. Really exposed, undone tongue, and also the inner lining of the ankle. But look at this padding. Look at this extra padding in here. You see that? You see that right there? That's all extra padding. The actual tongue, you will see as well, really different. Has the Zoom air tag. Now, behind it, what you would typically see is some wording, and there's nothing at all. And this is like some kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it, like almost like a cotton, it's got to be like a soft cotton material on there. And the inside of the tongue is perforated as well. With all those perforation, all those perforated dots there, I guess for breathability. The insole, if you can see right there, it does say Zoom Air. And yeah, guys, so this is a really nice sneaker. Like I said, this is just sort of like a sneaker haul. I don't want to go too in depth with the sneaker. If you'd like me to review any of these, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to review it. Also, I think this is really dope. These right here. I know on the Bayou colorway. And guys, here on by the eyelets, you do have the top. You pull that little panel down, and it says Zoom right there. So there's like a lot of little hidden things here, a lot of hidden gems in this sneaker. I've never worn a pair. I do have the Bayou colorway as well, that purple crocodile skin type thing going on, and it looks fire. I haven't taken it out the box. I've seen it, but I haven't taken it out the box. I have not worn any of these Zoom Comfort ones yet, but I'm really close to rocking one of these. So anyway, guys, this is the Chile colorway. This is a 9.5, and this looks like a fire shoe. You got your black Jordan wings right there. So like I said, if you want me to review any of these sneakers, drop the comment down below, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and do so. Guys, this is fire. Fire. So this is the pair. All right, guys, what's the next one? What's the next one we're gonna do? I think I know what these are. If I'm not mistaken, these are the Yeezy. Yep, the ash blues. And these look nice. Hey guys, what we got here? Woo! Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that right there, guys. This is the Yeezy 350 ash blue colorway. Guys, this is nice. There's a awesome YouTuber that I follow, sneaker YouTuber by the name of Mr. Fomer Simpson. If you have never heard of him, check him out. He's awesome. I love it. I mean, from just the quality of video is A1, and also just personality wise, he's really somebody I look up to in the sneaker game, and so I appreciate his insight. And he gave a review for this sneaker, and I had mentioned, which I haven't seen a lot of people mention, this is about the closest thing to a denim colorway that we've seen on a Yeezy silhouette. This really does look like denim, like, yo, but there's so much design, and this really does look like ash. It's like a super grade. It looks like ash, like straight up ashes. You got the outsole, that gray outsole, really reminiscent to the blue tints. You got that exposed boost. You know, so your typical 350 V2. Really nice. I'm digging it with the gray laces. These look fire, y'all. The ash blue Yeezys. Alrighty, so we got that. I actually bought 2 pairs of these, so I have one to rock and one to sell. And the final box of this sneaker haul, I'm pretty sure I know what these are. And these, if I'm not mistaken, yes sir, these are the Air Max 90s. Oh yeah. Alright fam, this is the Bacon Air Max 90. These just came out about a week or 2 ago. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these and see what these are about. Ooh. There you are. There they are. The Bacon colorway, the Air Max 90. This is really, really nice. I'm loving this. I've heard the hype of the one that came out, I believe in 04, I think it was. That pair is selling for like over a G, easy right now. So Nike re-released this year in 2021. And this is it, guys. The Air Max 90, the Bacon colorway. What y'all think? Offhand, I can tell you immediately, I see pen marks. Like if you guys can see there, look at that. That's a pen mark, like a line going down. They look kind of rough, I'm not gonna front. The material itself looks nice, but the actual paint, like even look at here, it's like a little bit of red paint right there. You guys see that? Hold on. That's a little bit of red paint from the dye or whatever's used. And the glue, there's a little bit of dry glue right here. If I can get this in focus. It's really faint, it's hard to see, but there's a little bit of dry glue here and it's kind of crusted on there. So I know that Nike's been getting a lot of heat for the quality, even the right here around the tip of the toe box. If you guys look here, there's actually a little bit of glue right there as well. So yeah, guys, I've been hearing a lot of complaints about the quality of these. A lot of people have been getting them with paint all over, with glue all over, pen marks. A lot of people getting them with pen marks. And I was hoping that I would not fall into that category, but by the look of this, it looks like I did get one of those pairs that just was not 100% on point. It is what it is, right? With a colorway this rare, I mean, it's sold out pretty quick. I mean, you got to just take it for whatever it is, but hopefully Nike will step up their game with the quality, because this is supposed to be an iconic colorway coming out, and it's kind of a little bit disheartening when you receive it and there's pen marks on it. Like, who checked these before sending them, before shipping them? But yeah, guys, anyway, and here you got a few laces. It comes with these beige brown laces. You got the pink laces, and I think we got an extra pair of laces in here as well. Yes, we have red laces as well on these. So yeah, guys, let me know, out of all 3 of these pairs, where the Yeezys at? Out of all 3 of these pairs, which one would you be more excited to rock? Bacon 90s, these Comfort Zoom Retro 1's, the Chile colorway, or these ash blue 350s? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick sneaker haul. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. My family, mi familia, my people, mi gente, show some love down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. Y'all be blessed, stay blessed, and have a great day. All right? Peace.